Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have to tell you about this exquisite lamp that is going to become the absolute focal point of your home.
This stunning table lamp is from MOZAIST. It's a Moroccan mosaic crescent shaped table lamp. And it's beautiful even when it's not on, but once you light it up, it just comes alive with color. When you look at it closely, you can see all of the details and the craftsmanship of this lamp, from the crescent stand to the actual glass itself. It just shines brilliantly. Whichever way it turns, it casts this beautiful color on my wall. I love the glass work on this and how it just sets the mood in the whole room. When you get really close to it, you can see the light bulb is suspended inside, and it's totally encased by this beautiful glass work. Again, day or night, this is a gorgeous lamp, but it really shines when the lights come down.
No matter where you put this lamp, it is going to be a showstopper. The details, the way that it's made, it's just phenomenal. I love it whether it's on or off, but certainly as it gets dark and the colors are showing against the wall in my house, I just love the way it looks. It's so rich. It has absolutely become the statement piece in my living room. And I am certain that if you get this, you will not be disappointed. And that is my point of view.